answer before commenting further, and I will come back directly to the member. Honourable Members, I've received a letter from the Honourable Leanne Dalzell seeking to debate under Standing Order 386, a privacy breach by the Earthquake Commission. The breach is a particular case of recent occurrence involving ministerial responsibility. The test for whether a particular case requires the immediate attention of the House is a high one. Even though a matter may be important, for it to take precedent over other business, there must be an element of urgency. The Privacy Commissioner notes that EQC has taken an open and honest approach to the breach, and it seems to have been quickly contained. The Commissioner will be following up to identify what can be done to make sure that similar breaches cannot occur in the future. Given these circumstances, I do not consider that I would be justified in setting aside the business of the House today. The application is therefore declined. I have also received a letter from the Honourable Ruth Dyson seeking to debate under Standing Order 386 the Department of Conservation's release of its national review and the announcement that up to 140 jobs will be cut. The announcement is a particular case of recent occurrence involving ministerial responsibility. A period of consultation is underway and no final decisions will be taken until feedback has been considered. Any changes will not take effect for some months. There will be other occasions on which the House can debate the final outcome of the national review. I am not persuaded that the setting aside of the business of the House for an urgent debate can be justified today. The application is therefore declined. Point of order, Honourable Trevor Miller.
Mr Speaker, I just want to check that in relying on the comments as you did on the first of the debates by an officer of Parliament, you weren't relying on the comments that were made before the second discovery. Mr Speaker, the letter refers to the full case. What happened was that there was an admission on the behalf of the Earthquake Commission, and the comments were then made about them being open and honest. But unfortunately, Mr Speaker, it then became clear that they had not been open and honest, and the number went, I think, from about 9,000 to about 80,000. And sir, you relied on comments which related to the first issue and the first number, when the House now knows, in fact, they hadn't been open and honest.
I took into account the whole story that evolved, I think, from Thursday, Friday, over the weekend and today in making my decision. I call on order. Point of order, Honourable Leanne Dalzell.
Speaker, I seek the leave of the House to debate the privacy breach that occurred last Friday.
Leave is sought for that debate. Is there any objection? Yes, there is. Order. I call on government orders of the day, number 1 to 3.